Hello, kids. Today, let's learn about seasons.
Spring, summer, rainy day, autumn, winter, shout hooray!
Hello, young scholars. What brings you here today?
We came to learn from you, Wise Owl, and to see the pretty flowers.
Wonderful. Spring. Flowers bloom bright and new. What a fine day for learning about nature.
Yeah.
Summer, hot, hot sunshine spot. What a splendid voyage.
It's going so fast.
Rain falls down, we jump around.
This is going to be the best fort ever.
Indeed, pile them high, young builders. Autumn leaves fall down, spin around.
Yay, the snowman is done.
A fine snowman indeed, children.
Let's make another one.
Winter snowflakes fall, all fresh and new.
Let's read aloud. Spring, summer, rainy, autumn, winter.
Spring, summer, rainy, autumn, winter.
Do like, share, and subscribe. Bye, kids!